Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on simultaneous equations worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets on the topic of solving simultaneous equations. We've had a lesson on this very topic and we showed in the lesson how simultaneous equations can be solved by drawing straight lines on the number plane and by finding their intersection. So if you're not quite sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. Now for this particular slide I will leave it on for 1 minute before I move on to the next slide. As always, you can pause the video for as long as you like on each slide. Okay, I'll go on to the next slide now. Here it is. And you can pause this slide for as long as you want. I'll leave it on for a minute and then I'll move on to the final slide. Okay, and here is the last slide, and you can click on that link if you need help with the lesson.